Dragons, symbols of power and authority, have attracted human curiosity and excitement from ancient times to the present day. With its graceful appearance and incredible strength, the dragon is not only a mystical creature, but also a symbol of sacredness and power. The discovery of dragons not only opens a door to the world of legend and mystery, but also provides profound insights into human taboos and courage. In Eastern culture, the dragon is often considered an extremely rare mascot, a symbol of strength and luck. In Chinese tradition, dragons are often associated with the emperor and royal power. Images of dragons often appear in traditional art, architecture, and even in everyday life, as a symbol of reverence and belief in mysterious power. However, in Western culture, dragons are often depicted as ferocious and bloodthirsty creatures, always a challenge to mighty heroes. In the legends of the Vikings, Celts, and other ancient peoples, dragons are often a symbol of threat and danger. However, even in these stories, the dragon demonstrates its intelligence and fighting, making it an unmissable symbol in the human mind. Although there are many variations in the appearance and personality of dragons in different legends and cultures, one thing always remains the same. Dragons have always been a symbol of strength and mystery. The image of the dragon not only makes people feel amazed by its power and beauty, but also evokes curiosity and the desire to discover more about the deep mysteries of the world. For many people, learning about dragons is not only a way to understand history and culture, but also a way to explore human nature. In the image of the dragon, we can see the reflection of faith, taboo, strength and courage, core values that people always seek and admire.